go. We're about to leave. Try and be careful because the last phone I lent out of this window, I lost it. Here we go. Off we go. Right. Out of Llangollen. Where'd you sit?
I sit all the way down there.
Ah. There's the river there. We'll cross that in a minute. It's a shame that little token thing's in the way. The little tokeny thing. There's the river again and a bridge. Where's the bridge? Oh, there it is. There.
Is this it?
Let's have a little look outside the window again.
Is this it?
This is our first stop. Berwyn. What's down there? See the river down there? Going through the tunnel now. Yeah, because we're going through the tunnel. We're out now. There we go. They'll turn off in a minute. See the halt in a minute. Yeah, just passing D side halt now. River husband's just on the other side of me. Sheep, 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 loads of sheep. There's one. Oh, let's just pause this a bit more, save time. Oh, they've got rid of it all. Where's it gone? There used to be a platform along here. Oh, they got rid of it. Oh, that's a shame. Oh, they took the actual platform out. Oh. Oh well. There's your river. Be careful not to throw my phone out the window. Oh, look at those cowses. Okay, you're massive. Don't have them on the farm. Holstein Friesians mostly. Couple of blues. Couple of jerseys. Token exchange time. I think this is my favourite station out of all of them. Don't know why. More sheepies. Just get in, I don't get. There we go. Token's been exchanged. He's just picked one up. Into the station. There we go. There's the station. I can't pronounce that, so all the old bits, the old luggage bits, the milk churns, porter's trolley for the luggage, some garden gnomes. Off with pops.
From where you're off. Oh no, you're off. Make your choice. You ever go to the park?
Nope, forget that.
No, I think that
No. I just want to see what's coming up next.
So when you that means put it on me, okay?
Clear that down.
Actually, you can see it now. Whoa!
Oh look, got some more cows, look. Let's try it.
Oh, there's cows! Milk me, baby! Milk me! Milk me! Milk me, baby!
Take your time.
Lovely.
Okay, yeah. There we go. Oh, we're here now anyway.
Good, thanks. It's better than somebody.
Yeah, we're here now.
Oh, look at that bunch
Hey,
Look at that one cow there.
one cow. Where? Yeah.
Go back in now.
Him.
There you go, Daniel.
There we go. We're getting off, yeah?
Yeah.
nice and dusty from Mr. Tractor Man. Well, we might sit somewhere else, so. There we go. Off we pops.
What is this called?
So I'll go have a look in this shop before other people get there. Look at that dog. Oh, it's massive. You go to the shop. Yeah, that one there. It's really like Art Deco-y sort of thing. It's open. It's open. It's open. Oh, any train bits? Oh god. Better hide the debit card away. Hello. Oh, hi, you right? Oh, what is that? These Stobart thingies. Where's all the train stuff at the back?
Hey. Mom.
That's a nice picture. Oh, letting a kid into a sweet shop with all these model trains. Oh no. Oh, I've got to buy something. What's all that? What's that? What's that? Platform? No, I've got platform. Don't need track. Don't need that. Let's see what I'm gonna buy. What's that? No, engage. Don't want to engage. I can get another one of those carriages. I've got 6 of those already. Get some more of those. I really need more of those. Oh. What's that? No, I don't want those ones. What's that? Oh, grab one of them.
No. Come on. No.
Seen these, all the different Batman cars? That one,
Mom.
that one, that one. I didn't realise it.
Like
I didn't realise there were so many.
Mom, can I get one
All
of
these.
these? Mom.
I think probably that's my best one, that one.
You get your bubbles.
I want something else. I'm gonna.
Oh, and here, along here as well. Bloody
I'm
hell.
not gonna find anything.
We've got 007 cars as well, James Bond's. Quite a collection, isn't it?
Oh, come on.
Mum, what? You said you didn't want them.
And I say what you do. And I do.
See ya. No, sit down here.
Where's it?
Wait a minute. You got bubbles.
Oh, toilets. Oh. That's a bit of a squeeze. Going down here. Down the front. We shall sit in first class for the travel home. There we go. We should go back in style. But you can't drink or eat in here, so
I like sitting here.
yeah, we'll sit here. We'll sit here. I'm not. Yeah, we'll sit here. I'll pause this now and I'll record on the way home. Really bouncy. Oh, very dusty. Take this for the way home. Cha-ching. Right, that's part 1, and I might do a part 2 if my phone doesn't fry. Right. There's a little miniature track that I've seen once in my lifetime being used. Beautiful place. I love Llangollen. I know we're at Carrog, but lovely place. Right, we've got until 2 o'clock until the train leaves, and I'll do another little video.